In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project on Monday.com. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply want to declutter your dashboard without losing any important data, archiving is a neat solution. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, head over to Monday.com and log into your account. This will take you to your home page, which is essentially your mission control for navigating through various workspaces, projects, and tasks. Now look to the left hand side of your screen. Here you'll see your main workspace. Your workspace is like a virtual office. It's where all your projects live. Think of it as a house and each project as a room within that house. Next, we're going to find the project you want to archive. Maybe it's a project that's completed, or perhaps it's something you're putting on pause for now. Either way, locating the project is your next step. Scroll through the list of projects in your workspace and click on the one you're looking to archive. Once you've selected the project, look for the three dots icon, typically found at the top or side of the project dashboard. This icon is your gateway to more options and settings. Clicking on these three dots will open up a menu filled with different actions you can take. Among these options, you'll find the Archive button. Clicking on Archive is like storing a box of old photos in your attic. It's out of sight but not gone forever. You're simply moving the project out of your active workspace to keep things organized and focus on what's currently in progress. After clicking Archive, your project will no longer appear in your main workspace. But don't worry, it's not gone for good. If you ever need to revisit this project, you can easily access it again by filtering for archived items in your workspace settings. Here's a little pro tip. Before archiving a project, it's always a good idea to double check with your team or review the project status. Archiving is helpful for organization, but you want to make sure it's not needed for active tasks or collaboration. Archiving a project on Monday.com is that simple. You've now decluttered your workspace without losing any of the crucial work you've put into your projects. This can help you and your team focus on what's currently important while also preserving past work for future reference. Remember, organizing your digital workspace is just as vital as organizing your physical workspace. It can lead to increased productivity, better teamwork, and a clearer mind. So take advantage of features like archiving to keep your Monday.com workspace streamlined and efficient. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Whether you're a project manager looking to keep your team's workspace organized or a solo user navigating your projects, I hope this video has helped you understand the ins and outs of archiving on Monday.com. If you have any questions or would like more detailed instructions on other features, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more useful tips. Happy organizing!